Digital Studio. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use your Silhouette Cameo in our digital product. Today, I'll be working with the digital You and Me bookmark cards. For your purchase of $4, you'll get a PDF that's printable. You'll get SVG cut lines and Silhouette cut lines. Oops. I've already downloaded it to my computer and already to my desktop. You just click on these, and I brought them already over here. Here are the cut lines, 1 and 2. Here are the PNGs. So if you are a digital scrapbooker, you can also work with these, or you can print them individually. I've already created my Silhouette file, but I'm not going to be using that right now. And here is your PDF where you can just print, and then you can cut them with scissors. So let's get started in the Silhouette program. In my Silhouette program today, I am using, it's a business edition 4.4.075. So it's a little different than other versions. I have an older version that I will also do a video with. First, I'm going to go and I'm going to get my paper ready to print and cut. So I'm going to start with registration marks. I'm going to add them, and then I'm going to go down here and make the paper as wide as possible. Now I'm going to go over to my PNG, and I have 6 different color cards. Now in this version of Silhouette, the PNGs will automatically have a cut line, and I do not need to use the Silhouette SVG or the solid line. So I will do in a different video how to use them. These ones you can just, well, no, you can't pull them. You got to pull each one in, and I will show you how I know this. So if you can see that red line that's already there, that's already a cut line. So we'll go to send and see how it's only going to cut, see the red line, it's only going to cut the red line. So this is a setup, there is nothing to do. So if you have a newer version, all you have to do is add the PNGs to the paper. Now, you say 6 won't fit, but watch this. If you have, I don't know if it's a business edition, but you need to have the nesting, and if you have a newer version, you can nest more. I don't know, it's kind of confusing how I said that. All right, I don't really understand how this works, I don't know, but I only need 1 thing of padding, and then I'm gonna give it 8 different rotations. I'm gonna say nest, and you can see over here it didn't nest. I'm gonna nest it again, and look at that. You got 6 on 1 piece of paper. So you are good to go. All you need to do is hit send. Everything looks really, really good. Go back to your design. Go to your page setup. Tell it what printer it's for. Everything looks good. Now, sometimes I have problems with this print. Well, actually, both my printers. I have an HP, a little DeskJet, this one, and it doesn't always come through very well. So, anyways, another explanation for another day. So I'm gonna check to see how this looks in the preview, and it takes a minute. Oh, wait. Rewind. So that was still page setup. Go to print. And it's gonna think, and my registration marks are all here, so I'm all good. and I hit print, and we'll print, and we're all good. But I'm going to cancel it right now and come back to here. I also want to save this file. So go and save it to your hard drive or to your library. I have already saved this file to my library, and it's right here. So next time you come in, you can just that, or you can save it to your desktop, and there's my file right there. So if I click, I want a new page, my registration marks and everything are already there, saved to make it again, and I don't have to worry about anything. So I am going to print this, and next I will show you how to register and get it to cut. All right, here is my printed cards with the registration lines, and I already have one here on my mat, my cutting mat, ready to go, and I am going to load into my Silhouette machine. I'm using the first generation machine right now. It works with the newer program. I already have my blades set and ready to go. All right, here is our cut paper, and I'm just going to peel this up. You can see it cut nice and cleanly. There's the extra, there's barely any paper wasted on that one. And here is a cut card. All right, here's the cards that we just printed and cut. Here are physical product cards from the shop that I've taken from this package. They were from Document Life. And wanted you to see the slightest difference. Melissa uses a little bit thicker paper than I used, but I think that's the only difference. Here is a little mini album that I made using You and Me with physical product, and you can see the bookmark card there. I made a little mini album with it. So now you can enjoy You and Me at any time.